Evidence law quiz. Question number 1. Confession of an accused is admissible against the other co-accused. Under which section? Under section 30 of Evidence Act. Next question. Confession of one accused is admissible against co-accused if they are tried jointly for the same offences. Option number 1. Next question. Necessity rule as to the admissibility of evidence is contained in which section? Section 32 of Evidence Act. Necessity rule as to the admissibility of evidence is applicable when the maker of a statement is dead or has become incapable of giving evidence, is a person who can be found but his attendance cannot be procured without unreasonable delay, expense, is a person who can not be found, all of the above. Under Section 32 of Evidence Act, a statement of a person who is dead to be admissible must relate to the cause of his own death. Option number A. The person whose statement is admitted under Section 32 of Evidence Act must be competent to testify, need not be competent to testify, may or may not be competent to testify. Option number C. A dying declaration is admissible only in criminal proceedings or only in civil proceedings or in civil as well as criminal proceedings, both. Option number C. A dying declaration to be admissible must be made before a magistrate, must be made before the police officer, may be made before a doctor or a private person, or option number D, may be made either before a magistrate or a police officer or a doctor or a private person. किसी के भी सामने दिया जा सकता है. Declaration in course of business are admissible under which section? Section 32, subsection 2 of Evidence Act. Declaration as to custom are admissible under Section 32, subsection 4 of Evidence Act.